Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the official AttackShark software, step by step. This works for most AttackShark mouse models, so let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. You can use any browser you like, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Next, click on the address bar and search for AttackShark drivers. From the search results, open the official AttackShark website. Once the website loads, scroll down a little. You'll see different device categories on the page. Click on the mouse section. Now you'll see a search bar. Type the exact model name of your AttackShark mouse here. Make sure the model is correct so you download the right software. After searching, your mouse model will appear. Click on it to open the download page. On this page, you'll find the available driver or software for your mouse. Click the Download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open the downloaded file and extract the folder if required. Inside the folder, double-click the Setup or Driver file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the install process. Once finished, open the AttackShark software. Now you can customize your mouse, adjust DPI and sensitivity, change button mappings, control RGB lighting, and create different profiles. And that's it. That's how you download and install AttackShark software. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.